and the eye rolling. You know, that to me is not hard. You know, you're there trying to act like you got your gangster rap videos, you know, to business and this and that, you know, and you've got your bandana around your, you know, head or whatever. And then in court, you're trying to act all hard. And there's times when he takes his shirt off and he stammers around and he's like punching on the desk and staring people down. And then he rolls his eyes. That's like the least, like, you know, thug life thing you can do. There's nothing thug life about that. Not that being a thug is anything I would want to be or you would want to be. I mean, it's like aiming pretty low if you ask me. But if you're trying to like nail that whole persona, eye rolling